Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BNGO. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, today was a very, very rough day. Price gapped up, got its highs right there, and then all of a sudden just completely turned back around. But let me just emphasize, I'm talking about today. Now, when you take a step back and look at multiple days, the overall chart is still perfectly fine. Nothing has gone wrong. The overall trend is still fully intact. So it really does just boil back down to, well, what was your game plan going in? Meaning, if you're some sort of day trader and you bought right there and your game plan was to buy and sell within 10 minutes, well, then from that perspective, yeah, the chart looks really, really bad for you. However, assuming that wasn't your plan and that you care about more so the broad overall picture of things, then yeah, sure. Today was definitely annoying in the sense of it started off so strong and then all of a sudden it turned out the way that it did. But one day doesn't make or break a chart. So from the overall standpoint, the trend is perfectly fine. In fact, the price is still doing a fantastic job of holding up above that green line right there. It did temporarily drop below it right there, but you can see as soon as the price got back up above it, went right back to acting as support a couple times there. So that's what I mean, that from literally the overarching point of view, the trend remains fully intact. Both levels of support. Yes, $8 here, but then also, for those of you that watch the past videos, hopefully remember me talking about that purple line there, the 50-period moving average, and the price is still well above those. So just because the price pulled back doesn't mean that anything's reversed around or anything. It's just a matter of, unfortunately, price movements can't go straight up every single day, as nice as that would be. Pullback needs to happen. Profit taking occurs. But as long as those prices build those higher bases, that's what matters, and that's what happened here. In terms of levels of resistance, nothing to change. 885 still going to be that main battleground. Now, I would agree that it probably got weakened up today, given the price was able to get up above it, but because the price ultimately fell back below it, that's still going to be considered that initial area of resistance. So let's see how this one continues to play out moving forward. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.